teach you how to trade these markets the right way. And of course, if you're looking to trade the profitable forex strategy live, then stick around because that's exactly what we're gonna do. I hope you guys are having a good day. I hope you'll had a good London session. I wasn't able to be part of it. Guys, I'm currently in on some gold sells. It just played out whilst I was marking it out. But I'm on a risk-free trade and I'm up by 7 grand on gold as of right now. Okay, so I'm not realizing any of these profits just because of the fact that I wasn't able to take it with you guys. But I'm just going to be in a risk-free trade. We have news that's going to open up in the next 8 minutes. Pretty volatile news that's going to open up in the next 8 minutes. So if it wants to hit my break even, this is my entry on gold. Okay, I didn't wait for a retest. I didn't wait for anything. I found this nice key level sitting at the 4H. As you can see, it was it was support when I initially started. I just changed this to resistance, and yeah, I pretty much caught this impulse, and it started to push down really quick. So I quickly changed it to break even, and I'm just riding the momentum to the downside. Do I feel it's gonna tank down more? Probably not. Okay, and should I realize profits from this? If I were you and I were in on the sells, yes, 100%, I would realize my profits. But because I'm in a risk-free position, I'm willing to take the risk that maybe this may tank down on news, and if that happens, I'm gonna make a shit amount of money on the stream. All right. So anyway, let's not talk money. Let's talk pips because that's what it's all about over here. All right. And I am in a solid about a 40 pip move as of right now on this. Okay, 40 pip with my regular $300 a pip. All right. So do the math, and yeah, it's pushing. That's what I'm looking at on the indices. We're coming into some short-term supply that I'm beginning to see over here as well. Yep, looks good. Okay, so if you wanna, again, this is for the aggressive scalpers, but if you guys want to get in, you're looking at a nice little buy position from here to maybe take that. Where would your stop loss be? Your stop loss could be by those candles, and if you're using the right risk management, you should be able to hold to the previous zone. That's about a 1:1.5 risk to reward ratio, but that's something we could be looking at. But remember, you guys are going to be buying into supply. Okay, so this move may be quick, it may not really be it may be a liquidity grab is what I'm trying to say. Okay, so let's watch out for that. This looks, it's beginning to feel like a little bit of a double bottom as well. And we have resistance number 1 coming right over there, and that would be the first leg towards our bigger double bottom or a nice inverse head and shoulders. So make sure that if you are getting in, consider 844 as your TP, which makes this a 15 pip move. All right, and then of course we have, if we have enough volume, we have room to get to that supply as well. Nasty. Lots of dirt on Nasdaq right now, straight up, lots of dirt. Look at that, also potential crossover from the 50, looks nice. But you'll know for news these can be fake outs, okay? Lots of dirt on Nasty. I'm not really seeing too much too clearly, but we have safely identified supply and demand, so just based off of those, our break of structure is going to look like this. Again, same story. Where's your stop loss going to be? Here. And TP1 is going to be sitting right there by those candle bodies, and that's about a 20 pip move in itself. And then of course if you get the whole zone, that's a nice chunky about a 50 pip move. Okay, alright, just give me a quick second, you guys. Spreads, yes, please be careful of your spreads, you guys. Please be careful of your spreads. I don't want you all to be I don't want you all to be going too crazy. I intentionally had this on the 15, on US 30. Okay, let's see how everything is looking. Okay, nice liquidity pool over here. Have this region as well. Okay. Awesome. Let's see if we want to break past there. Okay. So we're currently building into that region as demand. And let's see if we want to get the push to the downside from here. Okay. I've seen a lot of people message on Forex chat asking about what leverage we use, where our stop losses should be. It's pretty straightforward. Okay, the stop loss is your previous zone. We usually use a 1:1 risk to reward ratio. So we're working with, like I said, we're not making money, we're making pips. We risk 10 pips to make about 10 pips, but it's different for everyone. More aggressive scalpers usually end up risking 10 pips, 5 pips. Your impulse on nasty is kicking in, whilst the more conservative traders are usually taking smaller lots with wider stop losses. Okay, but it's up to you. Your stop loss really depends on your risk and money management. Okay, that's gold. All right, looks like I'm gonna get stopped out. Am I complaining that I didn't pick up my money from here? No, I'm not. I'm truly not. It's all good. Okay, it's 7 grand that I didn't have before the session, and I'm willing to risk that 7 grand, which is not 7 grand anymore, but I'm willing to risk it to potentially be 15 and 20 grand. Okay, and what happens if we want to go bullish on gold? We're looking to break this supply that we're building in right now. Okay, and if we break this, we could get a nice zone fill up there. Alright, I'm still in on this trade. I'm up by about 6-7 pips at this point. 6-7 pips on this trade. Alright, look at that. Nasdaq. Look at Nasdaq giving us the move. Is anyone in on Nasdaq, you guys? Anyone on the impulsive push on Nasty? Only feeler, good. Too close to news? Yes, that's correct. In on Nasdaq. We have news in about a minute, you guys. Excuse me. We have news in about a minute. Please be careful, man. Please be careful. I like the US 30 sells that are coming in, okay? Just letting you guys know. I like the possible US 30 sells. Nasty, we're gonna have to see how that plays out. But we still have our zones. Where are the sells for Nasdaq? Sells for Nasdaq are gonna be down here. Same story. You could have your stop loss for about 25 pips up into that zone, okay? But you're getting an impulse on Nasty right now. Let's see how this plays out. Okay, I'm still in on this guy. Cram watch gold. Yes. I'm on gold, so I'm watching it on my phone, okay? Awesome, look at that. Nasty, it has given us the push. We've got 17 seconds to go for news, you guys. Let's have a good one. Don't be stressing out. Seriously, alright? Use the right risk management. Please don't be taking stupid trades. Just take it easy. You guys have got this, alright? This is news. Okay, boom. Look at that. US 30. Alright, only a liquidity. I'm not in on anything. Freaking gold stopped me out. It's all good, but it's only indecision right now. Okay, so that was a liquidity grab. Guys, I'm not even in on a feeler right now. For the guys that are in on feelers, look at how freaking... Did you guys just see Nasdaq? These markets are going crazy right now. I'm waiting for this first candle to close. You guys don't need to be getting in this impulsively. It's really not... if it's not something that you're comfortable trading, then you don't have to trade it, okay? I'm not in on anything myself. I got stopped out on gold. As you guys can see, this is going bullish, but that's the beauty of having a break-even trade. I was in a risk-free position. Yeah, not needed, bro. Not needed. Me, myself, I didn't take anything. And the reason I didn't really take anything because I was already in on one position with gold, so I was fine with, just letting that ride out. Now let's see how this first candle closes up, and we'll have a cleaner idea. But I don't know how many of you guys caught that, but I literally saw Nasdaq go up there, and then for a second it became a large red candle, and then the next second it became a large green candle. I don't know how many of you guys saw that, but it literally happened right in front of my eyes. It was already up there, boom, down, and flicked back up. So to me, this is extremely erratic. Like someone said, it's not worth the stress. And that's the beauty of the game. We can just watch now. You know, we can just watch, see how things are playing out. Gold is bullish, all right? But we've got to hold. We've got to hold either or. But gold's bullish so far. I'm still gonna have my eyes on these cells for nasty, for the dirty, okay? I still have my eyes down here. Let's see. Let's see how this candle closes in the next 2 minutes and 50 seconds. And we'll then take a call. Is anyone in on Nasdaq though? Nasdaq, anyone in still on the feelers? 500 on Nasdaq, cheers. How do you think the big banks trade this? Do they just have bots which get... They have algos, bro. What we do manually, what we read, price action, the confluences, the permutations and combinations that Cash and I use to give you guys these setups, they have everything built into an algo. They're not doing anything. Their algos are doing everything. But we don't need no algos. You know what I'm saying? We have... we're price action traders, and we'll eventually build an algo, yes, but it's something that you want to truly understand before you just leave it up to a software to do for you. Forex algo bullish. Let's do it, man. Let's do it. You guys, for all y'all know, we're probably already working on it, okay? We'll call it like the Forex Scalp Pro or some shiz like that. Get some sweet ass Forex scalps. But you never know. It's probably in the works right now. I'm not gonna say too much. Okay. Nasty still bullish. I want to know how many people are in on Nasdaq right now. How many of you guys are in on Nasdaq? Okay, gold. Let's look at this region for gold. Okay, if the buys want to come in. And if the sells want to come in, let's look down here. Okay, let's leave that gap in between alone in case price wants to do the dirty dance. Okay. Bro, what is search in the chart? What chart? Okay, I think someone answered you. Cram, is it possible? Can you show how you drew the support resistance supply zone for gold? Sure. We can do another chart for you guys. Just give me a bit because I'm just watching these charts. Okay. This is a nice breaker structure, okay, you guys. This region on gold, this region is a beautiful BOS, okay? So we'll start, in case price wants to come down, we'll start to layer it from here, and we'll work our way to catch this and that beautiful freaking wick over there, okay? That could be a nice little move, you guys. Just a wick fill. Let's see though, let's see. This is the first 5-minute close. Dirty's pushing up, going for the wick fill. Okay, the sells are not coming in right now at least. Just make a couple of adjustments. Okay. Is anyone still on Nasdaq, you guys? Anyone still in on Nasdaq? I'm not in on anything. I should have realized my 7,000, but it's all good. What a clear move. I agree, man. It's not worth the stress, you know? Might as well take it easy and just see what the markets are doing, alright? Because the truth is this week we have a lot of news coming in this week, okay? So we're gonna get the pips and we don't need to be chasing it. 100% Camper, I agree. Okay, let's just put on some alerts. Do you guys maybe want me to do GU for you, or what do you want me to do? Gold's coming down. Goldie's coming down. Watch this area. This one. More like this one. Okay. Let's watch this, you guys. Be careful. Be careful, okay? Let's see. Maybe we get a push to the downside and boom. We could start to completely just drop, you guys. Come on, gold. Give us the move. Like I said, I was already in on the sells, and if the liquidity wanted to take my position away, so be it. Okay. I'm gonna get in on a little bit of a gold feeler, you guys. And then I'm gonna see in the next 30 seconds what exactly happens, but I'm okay with testing out a feeler, right? A feeler is not gonna hurt my account. It shouldn't hurt yours either. Okay, so I'm in with $1 for the sell on Goldilocks. Alright, 12 seconds to go on this candle. Okay, new candles opened up. Open up bullish. If we break that low, I may get in, I maybe trigger finger for the impulse, okay? Let's see if we're gonna go higher. And this could be a nice time to have in your Corollas. Let's see till where they really want to push. Lovely. Come on, break that. Come on, Goldie. Break that. And I'm in on gold, you guys. I'm in on gold, and I'm running by 8, 10 pips, 12 pips. Boom! Who's catching gold with me? 9,240 on gold for me. I'm liquidating, and I'm just going to leave a really tiny position. All right, so I just pulled out. Okay, it's dropping a little. Come on, give me that 8 grand that I just saw. 6 grand. Fuck it. I just pulled out 6,200 on gold. I didn't leave anything. Who caught that with me? Beautiful, beautiful move. I literally walked you guys through that setup. I told you all where I got in with a feeler. where I got in with a Corolla, and where I got in with my Lambo. Okay, and boom, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful move. I want to see goddamn W's in the chat. That was clean, and I'm not going to be spoon feeding you guys like this all the time, though, okay? But this is what we do at Forex trading. We scalp the shit out of these markets. One candle, for a feeler, retest, rejection, break a structure, and boom, that was it. I'm not gonna keep telling y'all this is where I'm getting in with what though. Okay, this is a one-off thing that I did today for y'all. But 6 grand, I'm happy. I'm happy. All right, I want to know how many of you guys caught that. www. Good stuff, you guys. Congratulations. Congratulations to the ones that made money, and to the ones that didn't. Well, okay. Good for you guys. Made 200. Awesome. Good stuff. Okay, I don't like the buys. Straight up, I don't like the buys. But just because I don't like it, it doesn't mean it's not going to happen. They're still playing out. They're still going to do their thing. And I'm happy though, man. I'm up by 6.5 grand. I'm not complaining. I'm done. I was looking for a larger number today, but this is me surpassing my daily goal. All right, 6 grand is more than 0.5% of my account, and I'm more than happy with that. Okay, and if you guys have hit your daily goals as well, y'all know what to do. All right, maybe switch over to a demo account, or just stop trading altogether. Okay, the ones that hit your daily targets, please don't give the markets a chance to take those profits back away from you. All right, and now we don't care what gold does with this. They could go bullish, they could go bearish, they could go freaking crocodile-ish. I don't care. They can do whatever they want to do, but we're out of this. We're out of this. Okay, we caught what we had to, and we scalped it. That's what we do, right? We scalp. Crocodile-ish. I like that. It's got a ring to it. Yeah. And you Forex term frustrating to miss, but I'll be here rest of the week. It's all good, JJ. Guys, make sure this translates into success stories, alright? Like people just said, we have a new Forex term, crocodile-ish. Go ahead and write that down, alright? Let people know that we're not only trading these markets, we're also setting our own trends, okay? Okay, and the indices are still bullish, man. Alright, so do you guys still want me to do GU? I mean, I'm okay with doing it for y'all. I'm okay with not doing it for y'all. I'm not going to be trading it, but if any of you guys wants to trade GU, do y'all still want me to do the top down for you guys? Or y'all don't? Would now give it GU. Okay. Okay. Cool. Let's get some GU going for y'all. GBP USD. I think this is Cash's top down. Let's see if Cash's top down is still. Wow. Okay. Yep, so straight up, Cash's analysis was towards the sells, which price action didn't respect. Still went bullish. Liquidity, liquidity, liquidity all the way up there. Where could the sells kick in? Right there. 2. Cash's original sell zone, because this is where we could get a little bit of a bounce. Okay, but because someone wanted to see me do the top down, I'm just gonna redo it for you guys. Oops, she's gonna kill me. Wait, give me a second. Okay. Alright, so what is the analysis that we do? It's we call it the top down analysis, where we basically start from the top, which is the daily time frame, and then we work our way down to the 5-minute time frame, where we scalp these markets. Okay, so we're basically finding key levels from the higher time frame, moving down to the 5 minutes, and all we're looking for are key areas of support and resistance, supply and demand, and the most areas that really have the flips from support to resistance and resistance to support. That's what we're looking for, okay? And also, if you want to get it done, an easier way to do it is just use the fib retracement, all right, and find your swing high to your swing low to swing high, and just use the fib retracement. I have just been doing it this way my whole life, 7 years in these markets, and I just trust my own eye more than I do an indicator is all right? But you guys can use the fib retracements, no problem. Okay, so I'm gonna get started. So on the daily, we have a nice daily high right there. We've got our daily low right there. Okay. I like this nice level coming in over here as well, so this is gonna act as daily support. And I like this level as well, but you know what, we'll catch it on the lower time frame. Okay, and we have our DRS here as well. Okay. Alright, so we've got the high, this checks out, this checks out, this gets adjusted up there, this comes down here. Do we need anything else? It doesn't look like we do. Okay, so we don't need any levels on the 4H. Let's switch over to the hourly. Okay, good. Some liquidity kicking in here. Let's mark that up as our 1H support. Okay, let's switch over to the 15s. What's going on the 15 minutes? We have... all of this demand that's gonna kick in over here. Wow, it's choppy, man. Super choppy. Okay, we should flip that as support, but it's all good. There's not much to do here, guys. It's pretty straightforward. Cash saw the sells coming in for London itself, and it seems like the sells want to come in. Let's get the RSI. They do have room to go higher, no problem, but the sells definitely seem like the way to go. Let's take a look at these. Okay. Yeah, there are literally no levels on the 5 minutes as well. Short-term scalps. I wouldn't recommend this, straight up. I wouldn't recommend this zone, but if you guys want to be trading it, then here. And naturally, if we break past the 70 once again, are we also coming into some... Yep, we're also coming into some divergence. So I personally wouldn't be buying this market, but if you guys want to, if we break past that, get a psychological number, alright? So maybe 300. I know GU reacts to the 300 levels real well. Okay, 26,300. That's if the buys want to kick in. And if the sells want to come in, for now, that's your aggressive scalp. But where's your BOS scalp? It's going to be there. Alright, but yeah, where's your stop loss going to be? Previous zone, you guys. Previous zone. For the buys, this is your stop. For the sells, that's your stop. Okay, so that's GU. Okay, gold closed back up. No problem. Let's see what they do, you guys. Is anyone in any sort of trades? Or are you all just watching? What's going on today, you guys? Watching. Awesome. Me too, man. I'm just watching. Like you guys saw, I traded gold. I was trading gold before the session started as well. And then I was looking for US 30, the sells, but the sells didn't kick in yet. And guys, just give me a quick second. I'm going to be back, okay? Just 1 second. Sorry about that, guys. Excuse me, I just had to let my dog out. How many dog parents do we have here? Do you guys have pets? Yeah? What breed do you have? Yeah, we're dog people as well. Always have been. Lovely. Nice. Golden Retriever Chihuahua. Lovely, lovely. We've got a Pariah and a Shih Tzu. We've got two of them. And, yeah, they couldn't be more different than each other. But, yeah, they're lovely. Fast asleep? Yeah. My wife and the two of them are fast asleep as well. Cash, I don't know if she told you guys or not, but she's been extremely unwell. You guys still came on and did the stream for you guys. I wasn't there with her to do the stream, but hats off to that woman. She didn't even let you guys know she was sick. But yeah, she's just resting it out right now. Dog's always crazy when someone's at a door. Oh yeah, man, tell me about it. I have people coming in, just ring the bell, and both of these dogs, they go crazy, literally crazy. Could you elaborate once again on the zone which you have marked right under above supply, demand, and supply zone? On what chart? Are you talking about the green box? That's our buy and sell box. This is not the zone. That's your sell position. Your sell position. This is the buy position on the break of the supply. This candle broke into our buy position. This is the sell position. And the same with gold and GU. Alright, so GU is starting to drop down. Okay, let's see if they want to respect the the impulse retest rejection. So far we've got the impulse. We have a little bit of a retest, and if you're in on a retest, have a break-even stop loss for it already. This market can just completely start pushing back up, just letting you guys know. Okay. And let's see if we want to break that structure and push down lower. Is anyone in on GU? Anyone trading GBP USD right now? Watching US 30. I'm on gold, risk-free trade. Good. Kyle, yes, okay. Are you in on the gold sells? Tusu? The ones that we caught? Mm-hmm. Good, good, good. GU's being extremely slow. Guys, the sells are not coming in right now. Maybe it's a market open move. The sells, I'm not going to be staying till market open, but it looks like it's going to be a market open move. Alright, let's see what this early swap brings in the next 3 minutes. And if we have the momentum to reverse, let's see if we're going to reverse. The sells are what I was looking at as well. Oh, well, you know it. We don't chase these trades. We just do what we're good at, which is analyzing these markets, and we let the trades come to us. Okay? Do we have anyone clearing any phases or anything of that sort last week? I know that I had 2 people from the one-on-ones that messaged me. It makes Cash and I so happy, and Millzone, of course. It makes us all so happy when you guys message us telling us that you guys have become live traders or you'll have cleared phase 1, phase 2. It really makes us happy, and I know that 2 people have, but I want to know anyone else from the chat. Have you guys, anyone made some progress with their funded accounts in the last week? I had 2 people from the one-on-ones last week that have become live funded traders. We're steadily growing with anywhere between 1, 2, 3 people per week that are converting. And this is from the 150 people on the one-on-one private mentorship program. But yeah, we have people that are successfully becoming funded every week. Close to clearing phase 1. Good stuff, Kyle. Good stuff. You're probably going to be this week's prospect then. I love it. On the way there. Good stuff, good stuff. Two weeks back, I'm not sure if I shared this with you guys or not. I'm not going to name the person for obvious reasons. But 2 weeks back, I had someone on the one-on-ones that pulled out 22% from a 100K account. 22% from a 100K account. And you know what the best part is? This person's 18. That's an 18-year-old pulling out 22% from a 100K account. That's unreal. And by the way, look at the dirty. It's freaking flying, okay? So we're not stressing about this. We're not stressing. Let them do what they have to. The early swap is going to push it higher. The sells are not kicking in now. It's very, very obvious. The sells are going to kick in. Look at that. Fake out on this as well. We're building into some supply up here. And if we break past that supply, the buys are sitting on top. Gold's starting to look like a double bottom to me. That's inspiring. Tell me about it, man. When I had a session with them last week, and she literally told me, she was like, I'm done. I'm done for the month. I'm not trading anymore. I've pulled out my profits. And she's not even on the sessions as of right now because she's chilling. How many sessions this person had? 10. And last week was her 6th or 7th. I'm not too sure which one exactly. But yeah, she's on the 10 session course. And I've seen a pattern with the people that I have on the one-on-ones. Um, Usually by session 5 is when they start getting the confidence to really, crack it. And then, yeah, it takes time, you guys. It takes time. There are people that have been trading with me all the way back from October on the one-on-one. Some people become profitable in 2 months, 3 months. For others, it takes longer. But again, it's everyone's own unique journey, and you can't really be comparing your successes and your failures with other people, with people on the server. You guys can't be doing that because that hurts your trading, right? You need to realize that your pace is good, whatever you're doing is good, and it's your journey, it's your story, and you are the protagonist of your story. All right, so no one else matters. What you do is what matters and what should matter to you. All right, respect the journey, respect the grind, and just keep pushing. Just keep pushing. Just like anything in life, the second you stop pushing, the whole thing comes tumbling down on you. Okay, so be headstrong, be smart, have the right risk management, because that's all that you guys need to clear the funded accounts. Straight up. There's a very, very, very clear recipe and a very easy recipe to crack the funded accounts. It took me 2 years to realize that. It doesn't have to take you guys that long. Okay, but just risk management is everything in this game. Literally. The analysis is subjective. It's something. I mean, the markets are not in our control, right? So it's something that may or may not happen because it is subjective, but that's not in our control. What is in our control, however, is our account, right? Our risk management. That's what's in our control. So we want to make sure we have that going. How much is the mentorship program? The thing is, we've actually closed intakes, but I don't know. I mean, I'm not sure if Cash told you guys or not, but babe, did you open up any slots? Huh? Okay, so apparently she opened up a slot this morning, and I'm not sure if it's filled or not as yet. But yeah, message Cash effects on Discord, and in case there's still an opening, she'll let you know. Sorry about that, you guys. What brokers are others using to do the challenge? I'm just on Anchor Trade for the demo now. MFF. Yeah, I think almost everyone uses MFF. FTMO has horrible spreads. It has horrible spreads. So, I mean, if you're going to catch a 10-15 pip spread to trade Nasdaq, and we're scalping these markets for 10 to 15 pips, it doesn't really work out. You know what I'm saying? MFF spreads are really nice. They have, I think, a pip and 2 pips and nothing more. So yeah, that's the one that we would recommend. Again, we don't have any affiliations, nothing of that sort. We're just sort of, we're just recommending what we personally use. Alright, and if anyone's interested in the one-on-ones, just message on open chat and Cash will reply to you guys. Hello fam, what's up Joel? How's it going, my man? 3% on gold? Good stuff, Vanessa, good stuff. Got a question. Is daily still valid on gold? Yeah. For sure, bro. It's all structure. We're currently getting resisted from that same resistance. So if we break past that, in fact, we're currently building some supply up here. All right, so if we break past that, it pushes up. But these rejections that you're seeing right now is from the daily. What can we do if we're indecisive about opening either short or long? Don't open anything. Simple. If you're indecisive about it, don't open it. US 30 divergence on higher time frame. Hmm. Good lord, look at US 30, man. Nasdaq's coming to a key level as well. All right, look at that. Solid momentum. We're coming to sorry, DAX, my bad. I was trading this. Finally, those cells kicked in that I've been talking about for the longest time. But look at that nice key zone on DAX. Okay, Nasty is still pushing. Dirty is still pushing. Okay. Also, guys, it's come to our notice that there are a lot of people impersonating all of us. So apparently, there have been people impersonating Cram. Well, this is the second or the third one impersonating me. And then there was someone impersonating Cash, and someone impersonating Yano, and someone impersonating our freaking Forex bot for some reason. Just don't fall into the traps, man. I'm just letting you guys know. Um, don't fall into the traps, okay? We're not gonna ask you guys for money unless we speak about the one-on-ones. And right now, the one-on-ones are the only way that we're really charging anyone. Apart from that, it's a free service. We're not a copy trade service. We're not doing anything of that sort. Okay, so if you guys get messages from anyone that claims they're from Forex, and these guys, they have our DPs, they have our bios, they have all the same stuff. So just don't fall into that trap. If anyone messages you personally, first go on to the Forex server and just tag. Listen, when we type on the Forex server, myself, Cram, Cash, my partner, Milzone, and Yano, our names come up as green. All right, that's because we're founders of Forex trading, right? So they come up as green. So you want to make sure that you'll have us. Say what? Yeah, you'll want to make sure that y'all are talking to the right people, okay? And Cash is the only one that handles the one-on-ones. So if anyone else is talking to you about the one-on-ones, you're being scammed, straight up. All right. So please, please, please be careful. We don't want you guys falling into any of these scams, man. We're here to make you guys money, not make you guys lose money. Okay. So please, just be really careful. Is all I'm trying to say. Exactly. Lucky. Thank you for that. But yeah, 100%. We're not going to be asking you for this stuff, okay? If y'all want to do the mentorship, y'all will message. Okay, gold's coming back down, maybe making a little bit of a head and shoulders now, or a double top. Either or, let's see. Okay, or they may just start a push. Or we could also be coming into a little bit of a pennant, a little bit of a flag right here, but just based off of this. One-on-ones, this one's for you guys. Potato aim. If you could please message on open chat right now, Cash will reply to you. She'll message you on the DMs, and that'll be easier. Okay, she'll send you all the information you need. So just say hi on our Forex server open chat, and Cash will message you. She's with me right now. It will be Cash messaging you and not the impersonator. I promise you that. Okay. All right, she's already messaged you. Okay, she's just messaged you. Check your DMs, and she'll DM you with the information. Please check your DMs. Check your filtered messages. Also, there's a wait time with the one-on-ones right now. Just letting you guys know. She's opened up. Did the slot you open up get booked today morning, or did you open up new slots? Okay, she's opened up one more new slot, you guys. We got booked up in the morning for the slot that she sent. There's a freaking wait time of about 6 to 7 weeks at this point, and we don't have any openings for the weekend express package. So yes, we'll have to go through the wait time. Okay, I'm just gonna wait for another 3 minutes, you guys. I'm gonna see the early momentum. The new 15-minute momentum come in, and for market open, I don't really need to be staying. I don't think. I mean, I've made my pips. I know a lot of you guys have as well, but the sell should start to kick in, straight up. Okay, the sells should start to kick in. If they don't, let the markets be as manipulated as they want to be. We're not going to fall into the trap. All right, that's the difference between us, the army of millionaires, and the retail traders. Okay, we don't want to fall into their traps. Let them do whatever they want to. We'll wait for price to come into our zones. We'll wait for price to come into our region. Okay, one-on-ones. GU. I hope it's very, very clear to you guys what's going on with GU right now. We're in a nice little trap and gap, as y'all can see. Okay, we have our buy structure sitting up at the daily resistance. We have our sell structure sitting down at the hourly. Well, now it's becoming support. And just watch, okay? You know how to play this move. We go through it on the one-on-ones. Starting to look like a little bit of a pennant as well, okay? Wait for your structure to be broken, and you guys can make some serious money on this with the right risk management, okay, guys? I hope it's becoming clearer to you all. Why do you think the sells will kick in, Cram? Because of that, and because of all that. Because of... sorry, you guys. That. Look at how oversold we are. Can we go higher? Absolutely, we can. Don't get me wrong. We can still go higher. But what should the market do? The market should start to sell off, right? That's a big move. We have solid wicks that are kicking in. It shows us that the buyers are getting exhausted. The sellers are starting to come in little by little by little. Let's see. Let's see if the sellers have enough momentum with this new 15-minute candle that's going to open up to actually start to push to the downside, okay? Let the market have mood swings. I agree. I agree. I'm in a BE on Nasdaq. Awesome. From the top. Nice. I hope you get it, bro. These huge moves have made me the most money coming back down, lol. Yeah, I agree. I agree. It's always good to sell supply and buy demand. It's always a good thing to do that. But again, not everyone understands how. But that's a killer freaking move on Nasdaq, man. Solid move on Nasdaq. dirty buys as well. He wants to choose to go to. Geo push. Oof. Okay. Good. Let's see. Gold's having a little bit of a retest on supply. Why do the freaking charts look like they're frozen? Are they frozen? No, they're not. Okay. Alright, so what are we doing on gold right now? We're doing something like that. We need to break that, retest that, and then push back down. Okay, so we could still have something left in that move. Okay. Bro, it's been like that for the past 15. I thought the same thing. Yeah, I know, right? It's just like it's stuck. Okay, look at that. GU's attempting to break 50. Okay, Camper, he must be making some money, bro. Good stuff. Realized profits. And if you deployed the entry-exit strategy over here, good for you. But I hope you did. Okay, you had a breakdown, a tiny retest, a rejection, and a break of your previous structure. Should be running about 10 pips right now. Stop. At 0.8, just shut up and take it, bro. I'm not even kidding. Stop being greedy, man. Take your 0.8. Yeah, exactly. Kyle is absolutely right. It's not worth losing that 0.8, which is your day's work, for 0.2. Okay, just take it out. Good stuff. Congratulations, brother. Now, don't worry if this even drops all the way back down to the daily resistance, because you made your 0.8, and that's a successful day in the office for you. You're literally done, okay? Take your money and run compound gains. I couldn't agree anymore. It's gonna pour, isn't it? It's getting rainy where we're at. It's the onset of the monsoons, you guys. I love it. Cash and I, we love the gloomy weather. We love the rains. We love being in the dark. And yeah, it's lovely. It had gotten so hot in the past 2 weeks. It's nice to be nice and gloomy right now. Up almost 5.9. Stop trading, bro. Okay, you mean overall in a week? Beautiful. Good stuff, bro. Good stuff. Congratulations. That's some serious gains. Okay, for market open, if they break that, they're pushing higher, naturally. Okay, but this region is round about the 950 area, 14,950. 15k is a solid psychological number, as you guys should know. So it could actually push up to 15k. It's possible. It's possible. All right. Sometimes divergence and these sort of things get thrown out of the window. All right. Sometimes. Someone at the door. Babe, shut everything over there quickly. Sorry, you guys. It just started pouring really heavily. And we stay on like the 30th floor, so there's a lot of wind that comes in where we're at. Babe, make sure the windows are shut. Things will break. Just make sure, please. Okay. Wow. Pips! Stay. Down. Pips is doing his own thing, you guys. Alright, Nasty, pushing down. Pushing down. And GU is pushing down as well. beautiful. Power of TA, you guys. Power of TA. Look at that. And lovely on Nasdaq as well. We're gonna come back. Looks like we're gonna push down to the daily. Painful, bro. I go through this all the time. You guys have seen me, man. I take my 10, 20 pips and I get out. Okay, so it doesn't matter. Just take what's yours. Okay, because these markets, they don't owe us nothing, right? So just take what's yours, and don't feel bad about it, because as humans, we're always gonna want more. We're always gonna be greedy, and the grass is always gonna be greener on the other side. Okay. When you're in the sells, the buys look better. When you're in the buys, the sells look better. That's just the way these markets are. That's just the way we are. All right, beat that thought process, beat that mentality, and just follow your rules, okay? I had a session with Lucky yesterday, Lucky TR7, and I was explaining how the rules are basically your Bible in this game. You want to stick by it, you want to follow it irrespective of what the markets do. If you want to negate through the emotions, okay, Kampa, I do feel a little bad for you, bro. I'm not gonna lie, a little bit, but it's still all good, okay? It's still all good. What you could have done... No, I'm just kidding, man. What you could have done, though, is you should have maybe left a little bit of a partial, a little something of that sort. But it's all good, right? 0.8%. Just for the record, you're up more than I am on my account today. All right? So if that makes you happy, which it should... just take it easy, all right? You've made more of a gain than I have on my account, okay? Like we say, the money doesn't matter. It's all about the pips, and we're here to make pips, not money, okay? It is what it is. If someone said of 0.8 today, yeah, 100%, bro. It's any day better than BE or being in a loss for the day. Okay, DAX starting to push back up again. GU went and hit TP. Do you guys see how beautiful that thing is? Right? Very, 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 very cute trade. Broke down, retest, rejected, pushed, and perfectly hit TP. Okay, good stuff for the ones that caught GU. Guys, I'm going to be on for the next 7 minutes. I'm not going to wait till for the first 15-minute candle and all of that good stuff for market open, because I'm truly done. I've given you guys some really, really good trades today. And I've also left you guys with trades for after the session, okay, for post-New York. So take those, okay? But I'm just going to be on till market open, wait for the first minute, and call it a session. Done for the day. Awesome. I am too. I got done literally in the first 15 minutes. I've stuck around for you guys. Zoe, come here. Come here. Huh? Can you repeat that? He took a chew stick. Give her another one. Okay. Is anyone still in any trades? GU hit TP, having a little bit of a reversal right now for market open. They could push back up for market open. If they do, that's going to be your break of structure. If not, you have the continued sells naturally down here. Naturally. Okay. And Goldilocks broke. We haven't retested it as yet, but we should expect a retest of either that supply or the zone, and that wick fill looks nice. Okay. What do you think about US 30 for market open? Can't say, bro. For real, I have my sell structure sitting down here, right? The only thing maybe I'd change a little bit is I would do this. Right, but apart from that, I wouldn't do nothing more. It's not the right area to actually break structure. A BOS was done there, right? So let's see. Can't say, okay? We also have 200 psychological to test out in case they want to push bullish. Nasty looks like it's making a little bit of a head and shoulders, like I told you guys. Shoulder, head, shoulder. Let's see. But we're naturally going to come into some demand there. Sells here. Okay. Just updating the levels for you guys for market open. I don't think any of you is trading DAX, so I'm not going to give you guys DAX. Gold is still active, however it is. Sells down there, buys up there. And GU as well, okay? Buys up there, sells down here. Straight up. Yep, good stuff, Camper. Good stuff. Alright, we have market open in the next 3 minutes, you guys. Is anyone still in on anything? Any of you guys? US 30 small position, BE, nothing. Feeler on sells. Okay, good, good. JP, bro, Cash was telling me that, did we miss a session by any chance? JP, the gains. Did we end up missing a session? Because there was nothing on my side. Cash was telling me you had messaged her. If you could please just let her know the date so that we can... Okay, if you could just let her know the date so that we can just cross-check once. And if it's a session missed, we'll let you reschedule, no problem. Okay, bro? You don't need to be booking up again if it's an error from our side. Okay, so just send the date to her. And she'll just confirm it with you, and she'll send you a reschedule link. Cheers, bro. I've been seeing you put in the work over here. Good for you. I'm glad you're starting to see success. I'll ask her to get in touch with you post the session, okay? Respecting the strat at the end of everything, that's all that matters, right? You're probably seeing that now. Good for you, brother. I'm so happy for you. Okay. Market open in 40 seconds. My MetaTrader is turned off, you guys, literally, because I don't want to get enticed into anything. For the ones that have already made money, I recommend you guys to do the same thing. Literally, my phone is not in my hand. It's charging. It's out of my reach. And I'm just going to watch, all right? Because I'm up by about 0.5% for the day. I'm really happy. Not stressing, okay? You guys too. Please, only and only take a trade if you need to. If not, just don't. Just don't. Okay. Market open in the next 5 seconds. Boom. Let's do the... Wow. All right. Let's see the dirty. I didn't see that move come in, but the dirty's dropping. Break. Retest. Let's see if we get a rejection. We could go up to maybe that region, maybe all the way up to that candle. But if we break that candle, then they're pushing back up. Straight up. Okay, there you go. Let's see if they respect that and start to push. And if they start to push back down, this would have been the Corolla entry. Let's see. If you got in with a Corolla, set it at break even right now, you guys. I'm spoiling you guys today. I'm literally spoon feeding y'all through how y'all need to get in and get out. Don't get used to this, okay? I'm just in a good mood today. It's not going to be this way all the time. Don't get used to this, okay? Alright, that would be our break of structure, push to the downside, okay? Get about 20 pips. Let's see. Got 50 pips on US, 30 small position done for the day. Cheers, brother. Congratulations. Okay, let's see if they break that wick on the dirty. Boom. There you go. They're trying. They're trying. Listen, if you're in any positions, break even's the time, alright? It doesn't look like the volume's kicking in. It will, but it just seems like they're being a little choppy about it right now. Look at that nasty impulse. Wait for the retest, rejection, break a previous structure. Gold is pushing bullish. The double bottom's playing out. Supply coming in over here. Let's break past that and let's push higher. And let's see. What did you get in on? What, you bought Nasdaq?
No, it's sold 0.5%.
You sold Nasdaq?
Yeah.
Aftermarket open?
Yeah.
Cash literally just sold Nasdaq and pulled out 0.5% out of this. And she closed the trade and she just showed me I did it. And I'm like, okay, that was quick. All right, look at that. That's coming in. Okay, chop chop right now. Chop chop. Not too much happening, okay? That's only an impulse on Nasdaq. Wait for retest, rejection, confirmation.
Make good break structure.
Okay. That's looking good as well. Babe Zoe has to go down.
Where are we?
Yeah, I know. She does.
It's good. Yeah. Good to go.
Okay, choppy, you guys. Like I said, I'm not going to stick around for too long because otherwise I'm going to end up waiting for the next Ali swap as well. And I don't want to do that because I'm not trading. Okay, so anyway, guys, listen, today was a lovely session. It truly was. We caught the moves. We learned a lot. We chilled. We talked. We spoke. We joked around. We made some money. We made our pips. We did all of that good stuff. All right, it's been a lovely day. I want to see these convert into success stories. You guys need to realize that we're doing this as a free service for y'all. We don't charge y'all for these streams. We don't do anything of that sort. And there's no trading group out there that's giving you guys this much value for free. All right, so please, all we ask for in return are just some success stories and some Twitter posts if you guys can. And if you guys don't want to do it, it's all good. It's up to y'all. It's not going to stop us from what we're doing. We're still going to do what we do. We're still going to be here and we're still going to stream. But if it's in your heart to be nice and kind to people like we like to be to y'all, then go ahead and just put on some success stories, okay? And, yep, lovely day. Big W's for me as well. I hope you guys had a solid day too. London, New York, they're all going to be happening tomorrow. So we're going to see you guys for that. We still have a solid week coming up. We still have 3 trading days and they're going to be nice and chunky pip days, okay? So let's have the right risk management and just chill out. If you're going to be trading by yourself post the streams, just use risk management, okay? That's all I'm going to say, because these markets, what you guys literally work on the streams to make with me for an hour and 15 in today's case can be wiped away by one wrong trade off the stream. You guys need to keep that in mind, okay? So don't be wiping away your profits. If you are going to be trading, make sure you're using the right risk management and just trade small. Just trade small. Okay, thank you guys so much. And if you guys are new here, then make sure to check out our Forex server. And we're basically here building an army of millionaires. All right, and we scout the shit out of these markets. We make our pips, convert them into money, and we move on with our lives. Okay, we do this every single trading day, twice a day for London, for New York, and best believe we're gonna just keep doing this, and also that we're just getting started. Okay, thank you guys so much. Have a great rest of the day, afternoon, evening, night, whatever it is, wherever you guys are, my army of millionaires. I will catch you all tomorrow. I'm Kram, my partner is Cash, and this is Forex Trading, you guys. Signing out. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.